Back in 2018, Creative's Pebble speaker was voted the top pick for computer speakers under $100. Featuring a minimalistic design and clear sound projection, it was only logical that a successor would follow. Meet the Pebble V2, the new improved desktop speaker by Creative. Hello everyone, welcome back to Out of the Box Reviews. Today I'm taking a look at Creative's Pebble Speaker V2, which is based on their original award-winning Pebble desktop speaker, but with a new, improved and powerful design. With a retail price of $29.99 in the US market and $24.99 in Europe, this is not your average budget speaker. It combines minimalistic design, high-quality manufacturing and crystal clear audio. As much as I would like to keep this unit, in these trying times, giving is much more important. And Creative was kind enough to let me give away this unit to one lucky subscriber. Stay until the end to find out how to enter the competition. Let's take a closer look at what we have inside the box. A small cardboard package with warranty documentation, the speakers themselves protected in bubble wrap, I know someone who's gonna have fun with that afterwards, and a USB-C to USB-A converter, which will come handy later. The size of the speaker in your hand is that of a large grapefruit. Each speaker weighs around 2/3 of a pound, or 300 grams for our metric friends. The body has a beautiful minimalistic design and is made out of high quality hard plastic in black color, which feels quite premium. The speakers differ visually, with the right satellite having the on-off/volume control knob, an LED indicator and at the bottom the high gain switch, while the left satellite bears the Creative logo. The two speakers sit on a 45-degree angle and have a rubberized ring on the bottom to keep them in place and protect your desk from scratches. On their back there is a passive radiator which amplifies the sound clarity without distortion. The 45-degree angle projects the sound directly to your ears for a more immersive experience. Despite the small footprint, the Pebble V2 packs double the output power of the old Pebble, for a total maximum of 16 watts when powered through a USB-C port and the high gain switch is engaged. The improved 2-inch built-in full-range drivers will produce richer and louder audio. The cable between the satellites is 1.35 meters long and the line-in cable is 1.2 meters with a 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. The speakers are powered via USB-C with a 1.2 meter cable, but even if you don't have a USB-C port on your device, don't worry, because this is where this little guy comes in. The included USB-C to USB-A converter lets you use the speakers on almost any device or even with your phone's power adapter. Now it's time for the sound test. I will compare them to my laptop's built-in speaker, which pretty much has the same size drivers. I am using the YouTube library so that I don't anger the copyright gods. The song has low, mid and high ends, so we will have a full picture of what the Pebble can do. Keep in mind that even though the recording is done with a Rode video mic placed at the speaker's sweet spot, the sound is much better in real life. In conclusion, the Pebble V2 is a remarkable improvement on Creative's original design, and at this price I consider it to be the best value for money speaker in the market. If you want a chance to win the Pebble, all you have to do is subscribe, press the like button and leave a comment telling me what are you going to use the speaker for. This was Out of the Box Reviews. Thank you all for watching, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.